Guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I am going to do a what's in my bag, and this is going to be an exam edition. I don't know what is in my bag that I'm taking to exams next week, then, well, actually when you're watching this I'll already have sat my exams and I'll have finished uni. But if you want to know what I took in my exam bag, then please keep watching. So the bag I'm taking to exams is this little kind of like muted blue one from Fiorelli. I got this bag from TK Maxx for half price, so it was £30 instead of £60. And it's just like a really cute like little backpack, like it's quite small, but it's really handy just carrying odd bits around, so I really like this bag. But anyway, let's get on with what's in it. First of all, I have my water bottle. I'm pretty sure I'll be taking a clear water bottle to my exams, but I don't have one yet. I need to go to Tesco and pick one up, but this one's just my Central Perk one that I kind of use on a day-to-day basis. Then I have a ridiculous amount of black pens just in case any of them run out. You know, it's good to be prepared in exams. You don't want to be putting your hand up for an invigilator and being like, my pen's run out, and looking like an absolute numpty. I've also got two highlighters, just to highlight any questions and any sections that I'm kind of working on, so that my brain's drawn to the most important bits of the question rather than having to look at it in a whole every single time I look at it. And then the last thing that is in my exam bag is my quote cards and like my note cards for each of my different topics. So I've got 3 exams, 2 of them, there's 4 topics that I've revised for each one, even though we only do 2 questions. We don't know which one's going to come up, so I revised 4 for each of them. And then just for my critical thinking, I've just got a single exam card. This was a really quick video, but I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know how any of your exams have gone. If you did enjoy this and you like seeing university inspired videos, and also I do beauty videos on my channel as well, please do make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell down below, and I will see you in my next video.